Okay, so would you support me as a South African content creator, currently sitting at 43,000 followers? First step would be to visit my link tree. I have some affiliate links available where you could purchase good for a kid, Acorn Kids, Net Florist, etc., as well as a backer buddy whereby I am saving up to open my own business eventually. Another option would be to subscribe for free on YouTube, whereby I would be paid from 4,000 hours of view time, where I am posting normal household content as well as plat op die aarde cooking shows. I also love unboxing for brands. Recently I've done Gatskop Braai, and soon I'll be getting cookies. You could send your brands to me for taste testing, and I will post content linking your business. I also have my FNB details available in my link tree, as well as my TikTok and YouTube bio. If you cannot financially support me, that is 100% okay. Just liking, commenting, as well as sharing my videos puts me out there more, and also brings more viewers and more supporters to my page. So I appreciate every single one that constantly and continuously supports my account. So just for a quick introduction, this is my son. I am a single mom, also looking
An
after my
unknown.
mother.
An unknown.
I have no idea what he just said.
An unknown.
He's unknown. Okay. Yes. Anyway, so all support appreciated. Ta-ta-ta.